Hi, I'm Frank from Fonekong team, China. I'd like to show how to use Toothpick to remove CPU. Temperature 440, air 20. Toothpick slightly touch CPU. Slightly move CPU and then blow, keep blowing. Keep blowing, slowly move the toothpick and then take up CPU. You see the toothpick already bent. And we can also use toothpick to remove the glue. Now it is the PCB glue removed with toothpick. Slightly move, slightly clean the glue. Okay, now look very nice. And then with the pads, with the wick. Now let's clean glue on CPU slightly. Temperature 330. And then reball. Reballing. Temperature 330, air 40. Done. Now that's install CPU. Temperature 330, air 40. Hot air gun, quick A61DW. Install to the housing. Power on it.